At Mazda, it is our mission to build vehicles that perform and endure, even in some of the coldest of climates. That's why we test in Lac-Saint-Jean, Quebec, where temperatures of -20 degrees Celsius are not uncommon. To show you what happens in Lac-Saint-Jean, we placed a Mazda in an ice-cold, climate-controlled room and gave it a car wash. Car doors exposed to these conditions could freeze shut, but not ours. After sitting in the extreme cold, many vehicles are also slow to start. But because we're somewhat obsessed with minimizing friction and maximizing water and oil pump efficiency, our i-ACTIV engine turned on without issue. This obsession with detail and commitment to quality ensures that you can drive on confidently with Mazda Unlimited, Canada's only unlimited mileage warranty.